What's good? It's Ari Petru. Now, I am in a different backdrop. You might like it, you might not. I decided to put the Supreme kayak, yes, in my room. Wow. I thought it was quite swag, to be honest. So this is a backdrop. I just wanted to switch it up a little bit because it is the night time. I'm filming this video in the night because I'm going away tomorrow. That's why there is a Supreme case here and my new Louis Vuitton backpack, which you saw in my last video. I need to pack. I'm going on holiday. Now this video is gonna be all the Hypebeast essentials that you Hypebeasts that are watching this video need for when you go on holiday. It is summer, I'm sure you guys might be going on holiday. Comment down below where you are going on holiday, if you're going on holiday. If you're not, I hope you enjoy your summer holidays anyway, and I'm gonna show you everything that I need and use when I'm on holiday. I'm not gonna bring this kayak, that would have been quite cool, but maybe I'll bring this kayak when I go to LA, that would be swag. Maybe I can do a race with kites in the sea. That would actually be swag. Nevertheless, I'm gonna show you everything that I use and need for my holiday that I'm about to go on tomorrow. So let's pack this Supreme and the backpack with all my holiday Hypebeast essentials, Ari Petru style. Let's get it. Okay, now item number one, Hypebeast sliders. When you're going on holiday in Hypebeast swag. Now these are the Gucci sliders I picked up in my last video. These are Supreme, these are Gucci, perfect, can't go wrong. You're gonna be on the beach, you're gonna be by the pool, you're gonna be out, it's boiling hot, you don't wanna be at trainers all the time. First item, Hypebeast sliders. What I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna open up my Supreme case right now. I've not opened this up in longer than expected, to be honest. And we're gonna pack as we go along. Next item, which is very, 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 very important when you're going on holiday in the sun, in the hot, is shorts. Now, I'm not gonna wear any jeans, any trousers for this whole next week because I'm gonna be in the boiling hot sun. Whilst you're watching this, I'm already there, so you probably will see it on my Instagram and my Snapchat. So I don't use Snapchat, I meant my Instagram stories. Who actually uses Snapchat still? Because I really don't. So follow me on Instagram for all my stories and posts. I'm gonna be doing some swag Instagram posts. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already, at Ari Petru, and subscribe to this channel, turn the notifications on, and now we can carry on. You did. Okay, so as you can see, I have loads of shorts. First pair we don't need the hangers in our case obviously, is a Supreme like Gucci colorway style. These were actually last season. I've still never really worn these in a very, very long time. These were like came out last summer, but I've kept them this whole time. I love this pair. A pair of grey essential shorts. Everyone needs a pair of grey shorts. I've got a black and red striped pair, a red and white stripe pair. I actually really like them, you can't go wrong. Then I've got some Bape ones, which are just for chilling probably. And then if I need to like go out or go to like a nice beach club or beach bar or whatever I'm going to, I've got these swag like felt Gucci ones, which were super expensive. Another pair of Gucci ones, again with like that type of Fear of God style with the drawstrings and the red band and the stripes on the side. You don't have to get Gucci ones, by the way, you can. For example, these are the minimal ones, and these are the Gucci ones, but there's not much difference at all. Last but not least, I've got a pair of like Supreme basketball style ones. Again, these came out last year and these are so, so sick. And you can just jump in the pool with these. You know, it doesn't really make much difference if they're actually swim shorts or not. So that is all the shorts. Yeah, my packing wasn't really too great. I think I'm gonna do it at the end. I'm gonna put everything here, show you everything, and then actually pack it properly because it's probably gonna take me a very, very long time. Next item we're gonna go with is t-shirts. You don't really wanna be wearing hoodies and stuff like that. No way. Cheers, Calamate. I'm only going for a week, so I'm taking about 8 t-shirts. I think when I go on holiday, I always try and just wear white t-shirts because you don't want to be wearing black. Black attracts the sun, makes you so much hotter, makes you sweat so much more. So this is a really cool white Supreme t-shirt that I like to take, a Kate Moss one because like she's wearing a bikini, kind of a beach vibe, super cool. And Gucci t-shirts for me are actually perfect to go on holiday because they're really, really thin and light and they're not heavy and they don't make you sweat as much. Well, they don't make me sweat as much. This is another recent cop that I got, a CDG BOGO. I don't think I've actually showed this to you guys. This is a new recent pickup. Again, it's white. I've got the exceptional black t-shirt because maybe I'll go for like nighttime dinner or something like that. Obviously the sun's not out then. Supreme Gucci main, I love this t-shirt, and because it's got a bit of red, I can wear it with the red shorts and stuff like that, which I really, really like. White Gucci one, I think I'm literally just gonna be wearing Gucci t-shirts all holiday because if you've ever had them before, you realize how like soft they are, and you might think it's just bad quality, but it's not. It's just like the really nice cotton that they use, really light, really thin, and it just doesn't make you too hot. And then the last t-shirt I'll be wearing is this, which is just a plain oversized white t-shirt. You can buy them anywhere. This one's from minimal, but you can literally buy them anywhere. Drop shoulder t-shirts, they're perfect. You can wear them with anything. Say if I go out somewhere like really nice, I can wear these like cool Gucci shorts which are crazy and let the shorts do the talking, and then just wear a plain white t-shirt because you don't want to overdo it, Lil Pump style, Gucci this, Gucci that, and just go a bit mental. You just want, you know, some nice, cool, crazy Gucci shorts, and then you can just have a plain white t-shirt and keep it cash with a bit of a Gucci slide flex. Okay, now let's get on to some proper Hypebeast Supreme items that you definitely need when you go on holiday. First one I'll be taking, yes, I'll be taking the Supreme life jacket because let's just say, you gotta be safe at sea. I wanna take a really cool outfit Instagram picture with this. If it's already up, then it's already up. But if not, I wanna go on a jet ski or in the sea or something like that, do some crazy water sports and wear this Supreme one for a cool outfit picture. So yeah, gladly this came out, and then I don't have to wear someone else's horrible grotty one. Man's got his own one. Next item, always I need right now because I'm dripping. I get so hot in the summer. Honestly, it's ridiculous. The Supreme fan. This is perfect. Obviously, you can get any fan, but this is Hypebeast Essentials. Gonna have this in my pocket at all times. Next item, which is a bit of a spoiler alert for a video that is upcoming at the end of this week, so make sure you stay tuned for my first ever mystery box video. This is a Supreme beach towel, which is swag. Obviously, you can have any towel, but again, this is Supreme Hypebeast version. Make sure you stay tuned for that. Again, subscribe, notifications on, and you won't miss that video. Okay, next, obviously, we all need these anyway, but when I'm going on holiday, you obviously need to know how many you're taking. I'm going for about a week, so I'm gonna bring like 10 pairs of Supreme boxers. They're the only boxers I wear. Honestly, I have like 20, 30 pairs. Supreme boxers. Then I got some designer socks. These are Off-White, these are Gucci, these are Gucci, these are Vetements, and they just look quite cool if you're wearing sliders or trainers and shorts. I don't know, I kind of like that vibe, but a lot of the time it's really hot. So I just wear these like pump socks, like invisible socks, trainer socks, so you can't see your socks. I hate that. I really do hate that look where you're trying to like wear ankle socks but then you can actually still see them. I've said it before, I hate it. Trainer socks, perfect, you need to cop. Okay, so now we're gonna get onto the sneakers that I'll be bringing on holiday. A lot of them are white and a lot of them are actually off-white. I didn't actually mean that. I think maybe just off-white are killing it and I'm just loving them right now, and they're all just sick shoes to wear all the time. So this is Off-White Vape Max. These are the Off-White Vapor Max in the white colorway, obviously, and they're just sick summer shoe. I actually pretty much bought these because I knew I was going on holiday and I just bought them for summer. Next are these like Off-White Van type style things. These just pretty much go with everything. I'm really happy Virgil actually made these. These are really cool. Again, a white shoe that you can wear with anything and look really good with shorts. Next pair is these Off-White Converse. I have not worn this shoe yet, so I don't know how I'm gonna wear it, but I do wanna wear it with shorts. That's why I am bringing them, just in case I manage to pull a cool fit with them or something like that. I wanna bring them. I feel like this is a summer vibe shoe. Next, which you always need to bring on holiday, is a pair of Vans. Like, you can't go wrong. I've just seen these kind of strap ones. They look like the Fear of God ones. They're the thick sole. I really like these. I literally picked these up today. They came in the post. And last but not least, the Off-White Prestos, which I am still yet to do a review on. The white ones early. They do have a release date now, which I think is August the 6th. Do not quote me on that because I'm not sure. These are actually wrecked already because I've had them for like 6 weeks already. They're super dirty. And that brings me on to my next point. And all of your shoes can get wrecked at the beach, or if you go out one night, or wherever you go, it can always happen. Now, this isn't even paid, but I genuinely do use Crep Protect a lot of the time. So Crep Protect has got to come with you on your holiday. These are the whites. This is the spray. This is like the cleaning kit, which I'm just about to use on these before I go away. Supreme wallet, obviously I need to be paying for stuff all the time. Obviously you need a pair of sunglasses because you're going on a sunny holiday, fam. So my choice is these Ray-Bans. Shout out PacSun, they actually sent me these recently. What do you think, geezers? Oh, by the way, I just got a fresh trim. You already know about that. All of you guys were roasting me in the comments for my dead trim, so I got a trim because of you guys, because you made me feel insecure. Cyberbullying. But these are the glasses, Ray-Bans. You dig. Swag. One of the last items is this crazy Gucci jacket that I picked up in Milan that a lot of you actually hated, but I actually love it. If it gets cool and if I'm going to like a nice dinner in the nighttime, I might pull this out with just a plain white t-shirt and some nice shorts. It's still got the tag on it, so hopefully I can break this out on a nice dinner with my girlfriend or something like that. How am I gonna pack this case? I think I'm gonna have to take an extra bag and pay extra at the airport. again, like I always do. Yes, this was supposed to be like Hypebeast holiday, but guys, this is what I really wanted before I left, and I just picked these up today. I just went to the shopping center. I got these like white linen shirts because they're really like fresh. They're really just chill and relaxed. And again, as I was saying, you can wear like some crazy, well, I am gonna like wear these like crazy Gucci shorts with just a white linen shirt, and you're not doing anything too mental. It just looks kind of cool together. You don't want your outfit to be like too loud, too crazy. Again, let the shorts do the talking. They were only like £20 each, so these are gonna go in there. And then my Louis Vuitton backpack, which I'm gonna be wearing to the airport. All I'm gonna put in here is like my laptop, my camera. Man's a YouTuber now, I need to be making content even when I'm on holiday. So I'm filming this video for you guys so I can still get a video out, a couple videos out whilst I'm on this holiday. Callum, bro. Oh. I'm in a bad way, but we managed. The case is closed. Right people, I'm all packed. I had to pack another Supreme backpack because, well, I couldn't fit everything in my case. You saw man was struggling. But now, geezers, we're good to go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe right now, join the Geezer army. Drop a like on this video if you did enjoy it, and follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna be posting some flames. Now I'm off to the airport, right? In a bit. Well, not really, my flight's actually tomorrow. I'm actually gonna go to sleep, to be honest. But you don't need to see that. See you in the next video.